love strong, just like a love song. Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking. It's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder.
You guys, what you talking about over here?
Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. 'Cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless. No one can hear us.
What you guys talking about over here?
Now put your loving, loving, loving on me.
What you talking about?
Hey, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
There's another bridge across the way. And look at the angle of that building on the end. God, it's so beautiful. Look at the houses are built up on the dock. Look at all the birds. You see them all? Somebody must have thrown something in the water. Look at this overpass here where the cars are driving. It opens up to the water way down there. So calm and peaceful, isn't it? It's what Sunday mornings are made for. It just feels so different than being like in the business district in the center, where it's, you know, it's so much nice and open space right here. And the bicyclist, which I love doing, riding my bike. Hey, there's some little ferry boats. I wonder where these helicopters are coming and going to. Boatbuilders Yard. So this is a South Wharf. Wow, look at that ship. Oh man, it goes all the way down there. That's kind of nice. You can live on some water like this, huh? Oh, so here's the convention center. There's more helicopters. Look at that sun glistening on the water. I want to see the ship, do you? I think it's right here. Okay. All right. Ooh, look at that deck right there. It's got the greenery where that must be their patio for their breaks and everything. That's really nice how they opened up the building right there and made that like ledge. And then these are condos, I would assume. Or a hotel, because there's a bed right there in the window. That's a nice place to have. Can you imagine? Hey guys, how are you this morning? Happy Sunday. Wow. Woodside. Grand ship. What is that? Oh, there's something old in here. Hold on. It says the Yarra Riverbanks. So this must be some kind of museum in here. Feed water heated by exhaust steam. There's like parts of something in there. That's kind of neat. Oh, the birth of the Melbourne docks. I see.
Don't tell me that it's over. Never say that I can't relate. I still wanna come over, 'cause I
Look at that.
Come now, give me a moment.
Do you see the wheel that the captain would steer? The wooden wheel right over there?
Let me in, let me show
It's really big.
all the
See it?
things that we can become. I know
That's
I
a
made
beauty.
mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it.
Look at these big buoys. I'm gonna peek over here in a tiny little boat. Cute museum. Nice and pushed away.
I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive
I mean, they look real, but I don't know. Could just be sentiment.
Don't tell me that it's over. Never say that I can't relate.
Oh,
Still wanna
look
come
at that spotted bird.
'cause I know that it's not too late.
You guys getting some water? Are you guys getting some water? Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday.
I know I made mistakes.
Good morning. You beautiful, beautiful creatures.
I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored,
Just another day in the park for you.
I'm gonna revive it. Come now, give me a moment, 'cause you know about the place I'm from. Let me in, let me show it, all the things that we can become.
Oh, a sign, a sign. Dedicated to the men and women of the Merchant Navy who gave their lives willingly for the freedom of others and have no grave but the sea. They have no grave but the cruel sea, no flowers at their head, a rusted hulk, their only tombstone, fast on the ocean bed. They shall grow not old, as we that are left to grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn at the going down of the sun. And in the morning we will remember them. Wow. That was really touching. Really touching. somebody commented last night that they rowed. And there's a rower. There's a few rowers. Wow, they make it look easier. Love the bar of ice cream, coffee, South Wharf Social. This is so beautiful. Lighthouse. Oh, that's mini golf. Helter Skelter. Oh, how fun is that? The Crown Plaza.
And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it.
These are pretty cool.